It's Tuesday, May 25th, I think, somewhere around there, 2021. These turnips are getting a little bit out of hand. It's about time to pick some turnips here. Maybe we can get a whole pot out of it. Maybe not. They cook down pretty good. Remember what variety these were I planted. I think they were the 7-top, something like that. We cut basically about 2 turnips there. We got almost a milk crate full. Cook these down later on this afternoon. Remember to wash them really good. It's pretty sandy out here. Usually give them a free wash cycle. Get all the sand out of them. Actually see the turnips. They need to be hilled back up. You see how this one's sticking up out of the ground already. You hill them back up. Water them again this afternoon. We got a milk crate full of turnips. And then later on this year, we'll pop the actual turnips out of the ground and cook those too. Tasty, tasty. First stage of washing the turnips. Gonna wash them and then drain them and then wash them and then drain them and then rinse them. Then we'll start our pot cooking it with a little salt pork or lardo and just a little bit of water, because these things, they look like a lot, but they'll cook down to nothing later on that. Okay, we're getting ready to cook our turnips here. Remember, you only need a little bit of water in the pan because they're going to cook down. If you put too much water, you end up with a soupy. You have to cook it a really long time. Gonna cut up some lardo, salt pork, to put in there in the stock. And there's our turnips already washed and ready to go. Just have to tear them up and put them in the pot. Salt pork chopped up, ready to go in there. Water's not boiling yet, almost. Gonna start tearing up these turnips to put in there. Just put all these in there. They're already cooking down. You're just gonna let them simmer until they cook down. Remember, you don't want to have too much water in there. Just a little bit. And then later on, when they're done, you can put hot peppers in there, or pepper vinegar, some kind of hot sauce. It's good like that. Thank you. And that's what we have left. Cooked down almost perfect. Very little water left in there. Cooked down nice and tender. It's too bad I didn't have more. I like to take the excess and just blanch it and then freeze it and use it for later. That's all I had this year though. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.